All right, big farm bills face off in Punjab Assembly. Punjab has become the first one to move a resolution rejecting the 3 farm bills passed by the parliament recently. Punjab's Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh moved 3 bills that have special provisions to counter the centre's farm laws. The new 3 bills aim to prohibit auction of land to small farmers and ensure no sale of crops below the MSP or the minimum support price, which is guaranteed on these crops. Punjab is also seeking an ordinance making the procurement of food grains on the MSP a statutory right of the farmers. The opposition on Monday had slammed the Punjab government for not tabling a bill to counter the centre's new farm laws on the first day of a special assembly session. The session also saw a dharna in the House by Aam Aadmi Party MLAs.
I would like the Prime Minister to tell me insaf. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਐਜੀਟੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਅਧਿਕਾਰ ਹੈ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਇਹ ਡੈਮੋਕ੍ਰੇਸੀ ਹੈ ਡੈਮੋਕ੍ਰੇਸੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਜੀਟੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਜੋ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਯੂਨੀਅਨ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਮੇਂ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ
ऐसा है कि केवल राजनीति हो रही है। किसानों की चिंता नहीं है। 400 किसान आत्महत्या कर गया। किसानों की चिंता के नाम पर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ड्रामेबाजी कर रहे। एक फिल्मी पटकथा लिखी गई है। उस फिल्मी पटकथा के आधार पर, झूठ के आधार पर किसानों के जीवन को बर्बाद किया जा रहा है। लेकिन मेरा इतना कहना है कि किसानों के विषय पर राजनीति नहीं, सकारात्मक कदम उठाने चाहिए, जैसे देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने उठाकर एक मिसाल पेश की है।
Manjeet Sehgal is now joining us, reporting from Chandigarh. Manjeet, while we know a majority of farmers are unhappy with the farm bills that were cleared the course in the parliament here at the centre, but the fact of the matter is these assembly resolutions that have been passed against the farm bills already passed by the parliament, big question arises on the constitutional validity of them as well. What are you picking up from your sources on this front?
Well, Jyoti, as you said that the constitutional validity is a big question. Punjab government and the Punjab introduced 4 bills in the assembly today to negate the 3 central farm laws. After these bills are passed in the assembly, this bill will be sent to the governor and later to the President of India, and only will become laws if President of India clears them. So this is a big question whether there will become a law or not. But meanwhile, Punjab government has assured the farmers by introducing these 4 bills that they are with the farmers, and the 3 bills passed by the union government recently are not only anti-farmer, anti-farming community and traders, but also anti-Punjab. Even Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, while discussing these bills, have also warned the centre that if these bills are not dropped, the situation may go out of hand even, and China and Pakistan can collude, and some anti-social elements can also join the farmer protests, which will disturb the peace and law and order in Punjab. So the fight here in Punjab, be it the opposition parties or be it the ruling Congress, is to ensure that MSP stays and the formal procurement system is not disturbed. Even Chief Minister has also requested and appealed the union government to give an assurance to bring a resolution and to assure the farmers that the MSP and the procurement system remains intact. So we are expecting that these bills may be passed in the Punjab Assembly today. But the question still remains whether the bills being introduced by the Punjab Assembly will become a law or not.
That's true, and the constitutional validity still remains to be a big question. Thanks for bringing our viewers up to speed and bringing that perspective on that story. Manjeet, we'll keep coming back to you for more details on this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.